Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Shyam Tiwari and you are watching Entertainment and Study. So students, today we are going to discuss the class 10th algebra portion. We are going to discuss linear inequation in one variable. So here is the topic, linear inequation in one variable. Let us understand what does it means. So the first word is linear and the second inequations. So what is linear? What is linear? Okay, so as we know that we have studied many equations like quadratic equations, cubic equations, and one of them is linear equations, and if we put inequation sign in between them, then it will be linear inequation. So what is linear equation? First we are going to know what is linear equation. Suppose ax plus bx plus c equals to 0. So an equation is called linear if the variable which is used in this equation of the order 1. Here the order of the variable is 1. Here is also. So this equation is called linear equation. Same as linear inequation. So simply these are the sign which are called sign of inequality. These signs are called sign of inequality. So in the context of linear inequation, same rule applied. If the variable will be of order 1 and these signs are put in between them, then the algebraic expression will be called linear inequation. For example 2x plus 3 greater than or equals to 5. This is an example of linear inequation, and we can write many more like that. X plus 6 less than 9. We can also write it as. So these are the verbal meaning of the topic linear inequation in one variable. Linear means whatever we are using variable, it must be of one or it must be of order 1. Okay, and we put inequation signs. These are the four fundamental inequation signs which we can put in between any algebraic expression, and then the expression will called linear inequation. And the one term is also linear equation in one variable. So what is the mean in one variable? One variable stands for whatever we are using in any inequations, the variable must be 1. Means ax plus b less than equals to c. We can say that. So here only variable is x. Here only we use a one variable which is x. X is variable. Ax plus b greater than equals to cx plus d. This is also an inequation in one variable because x, we can use x in many times, but 1. Here variable is x which is used 2 times, but still it is a linear inequation in one variable. We are using variable x only in this equation. If we use ax plus by less than c, so here x and y as 2 variables are used. So it is not an example of linear equation in one variable. So this is the basic structure of this linear equation in one variable. Now we are going to discuss some more facts and rules about this linear equation to how to solve it. So now we are going to discuss rules how to solve any inequation. Rules are very important to solve any inequation. We must know about the rules. So the first rule is, if we're transferring any positive number from one side to another side of any inequation, the sign of inequality will not change, means it will be remain same. For example, in this example, 2x plus 3 greater than 4, if we move any positive number from one side to another, the sign of inequality will remain same. As we can see that here, sign of equality will not change. Okay, this is the first rule. And the second rule is, if we move any negative number from one side to another side of any inequation, the sign of inequality will also remain same in this case also. So 2x, this is a negative number. When we transfer this from here to here, then it will 9 plus 3 and the inequality sign will remain same. This will not going to be changed. Okay, this is our second rule. So our first rule, let me remind you again. Our first rule is, when we transfer a positive number from one side to another, the inequality sign will not change. And the second rule is saying, if we transfer a negative number from one side to another of an inequality, the inequality sign will not change. So our third rule is, if we multiply by a positive number, okay, if we multiply by any positive number in an inequality on both sides, the sign of inequality will not change. Okay, the sign of inequality will not change. Suppose 5x by 2 plus 3 equals to 4. Okay, so sorry, inequality sign, there must be equality sign. 5x by 2 plus 3 less than 4. So first step will be, we can transfer plus 3 from here to there. So 4 minus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3. If we want to eliminate 2, then we have to multiply it by 2, which is a positive number. 2 is a positive number, and if we are doing this, we have to do it on the both sides. So as a result, 2 will be cancelled, and here 5x less than 4 minus 3, 1 into 2. We can also further solve it, but the basic point is, if we multiply a positive number on both the sides of an inequality, the inequality sign will not change. It is still less than 4 minus 3 into 2. Okay, this is the main points that we have to know to solve any inequation. And our fourth rule is, we change, which is saying, if we change sign of both sides of an inequality, the inequality sign will be changed. Now we can solve it further. And our next rule is, if we divide and multiply by a negative number of both sides of an inequality, the sign of inequality will change. Okay, for example, (5x minus 2 greater than 11). So if we want to eliminate minus 2, then we have to multiply minus 2 in this side and as well as in this side also. So minus 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled, but this will be our next step. Then my 5x will be less than minus 22. Okay, 5x less than minus 22. So in this case, if we multiply by a negative number on both sides of an inequality, the sign of inequality will change, as well as if we divide, okay, if we divide by a negative number on both sides of an inequality, the sign of inequality will also be changed. For example, minus 5x greater than 10. Okay, we have to divide minus 5 on both sides in next step. Minus 5x upon minus 5, and 10 is also divided by minus 5, and in this case the sign of inequality will reverse. Okay, this is the rule number 5. So why this is happened? If we multiply or divide by a negative number of an inequality, the sign of inequality will reverse. Why? Because if we say that, if we take example minus 5 is greater than, minus 5 is greater than minus 6. Okay, minus 5 is greater than minus 6. But if we change both sides, the sign of both sides in this inequality, then it will become positive and it will also become positive. And then what inequality must be placed in between them? It will be 6 is greater than 5, which is 2. Okay, so here the sign of inequality is changed. Okay, our next rule is, if we reciprocal both sides, if we take reciprocal both sides of an inequality, the sign of inequality will also change. For we can say that x greater than y, and if we are going to take a reciprocal on both sides, which is 1 upon x and 1 upon y, so the sign of inequality which is greater than becomes like this. Okay, let's take an example. 6 is greater than 5. We also know that 6 is greater than 5, but if we taking reciprocal on both sides, then the inequality which is suitable for this condition will be 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 upon 6. As we can say that 6 is greater than 5, but 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5, between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 will be greater than 1 upon 6. Okay, we also know that in two fractions, if numerator part is equal, then whose denominator is greater, the fraction will become lesser. This will be smaller than 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 will be greater than 1 upon 6. So here are some rules. Let's do some more examples. So our next topic is replacement set and solution set. So what are replacement set? Replacement set, it is the set from where we can choose values of x. We can choose values of x. It may be means, for example, x must be belongs to natural number, x can be belongs to whole number, x can be belongs to integer. For an inequality, the value of x will differ according to this replacement set. What is solution set will be called solution set. Solution set, our solution set. For example, if we take example, x less than 5. X less than 5. If x belongs to natural number, this is the we are taking values of x from the natural number, so natural number is the replacement set. Okay, so the natural number is replacement set, and if we with the help of these values, according to this inequality, if we make a set which is in the curly bracket separated by commas, x less than 5 and x belongs to natural number less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be our solution set according to this inequality when the replacement set is x belongs to natural number. If for the same inequality, if x belongs to whole number, what will be the solution set for this? Solution set will be whole number, as we know that natural number with 0 is called whole number. Okay, natural numbers are counting numbers started from 1, 2, 3, 4 from 1. Okay, so if x less than 5 and x belongs to whole number, then 4 values will be 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. According to this inequality, when the replacement set is x belongs to whole number, the solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As we can see that for different replacement set, the solution set may be different. Okay, so replacement set only tell us from where we have to take values of x. So here are the some statements and we have to mark them true or false. So the first statement is saying x less than minus y, that will imply minus x greater than minus y. As we if we observe this, we can see that x less than minus y and only the sign of both sides of the inequality is changed. Okay, so x becomes minus x and minus y becomes plus y, means in this inequations the sign of both sides are changing, so inequality sign will be changed, and here the inequality sign is changed, so this statement is true. Okay, this statement is true. Okay, our next example is minus 5 is greater than equals to 15 and x is greater than minus 3. So as we can see that minus 5 is not there, means in this inequation minus both side is divided by minus 5 and minus 5 is negative number, so inequality sign should be changed, but nothing is happened there, so this statement is false. Our next example is 2x less than equals to minus 7 implies we can easily see that both sides of this inequality divided by minus 4 and minus 4 is negative number, the sign inequality will be changed, and this is here the sign inequality is changed, so it is a true statement. Okay, this will be a true statement. Our next example is 7 is greater than 5 and simply here it is taking a. Our next example is 7 is greater than 5 and here 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 5 means reciprocal of 7 and reciprocal 5, only taking here in this inequality only the question is taking reciprocal of both sides, and we know that if we take reciprocal of both sides of an inequality, the inequality sign will be reversed, so we can see that inequality sign is reversed, so this is a true statement. Our next example is, our next question is 5, a less than b, and a same number is divided. Our next example is a less than 5 and the same number c is subtracted from both sides, so there is no effect in the inequality. There will be no effect in this inequality, so inequality remains same, so it is a true statement. A is greater than 5 and same number is added on both sides, so this is also a true statement. A less than b and a c which is a positive number is multiplied on both sides, and still the question is changing the inequality sign, which is false. There is no need to change the inequality sign, okay, because c is a positive number and we can multiply positive number on both sides in any inequality. Next statement is a less than b and c is any number which is greater than 0. If c is greater than 0 means c is positive. Any number greater than 0 means that number is positive. Okay, a less than b, so we can see that in this inequality c is subtracted from both the sides, okay, and c is a positive number, so if we subtract a positive number from both sides of inequality, sign of inequality will be same, and here a less than b, but sign of inequality is changing, which is false. So today we have discussed linear inequalities in one variables with examples and some practice. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.